Hi friends, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss some outputs based on strings. So friends, let's get started. So friends, our first question is what will be the following code output? So string S is equals to Malayalam. So we want to print system.out.println s.index of m. So let's count from 0, 1, 2, 3 and y4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So index of, I told you index of means we should take the first letter m. So it is in which position? 0. So we should print 0. And next last index of. So last index of is we should check the last letter m, last alphabet m. So it is in which place? 8th place. So our next answer will be 8. So friends, before watching this video you should watch the videos of my other string methods in which I explained all the string methods. So friends, this was our first answer solution. So let's move on to our second question. So friends, our second question is state the values of n and ch. So jar c is equals to a and int n is equals to c plus 1 and we should print char ch is equals to char n. So friends, I told you you should learn ASCII codes. So capital A code is 65. So here n c plus 1. So 65 plus 1 66. So this is 66. So we should print n value which is 6. N value which is 6. I printed n value as 66. We got here. I printed 66. So next we should print char ch is equals to char n. So 66 is in which place? So A is 65. So B is 66. So you will get B as our answer. So friends, this was our second question. So let's move on to our third question. So friends, our third question is string s is equals to examination and int n is equals to s dot length. So we should print system.out.println s dot starts with s dot substring 5 comma n. So we should check that 5 s dot substring that s is starting with 5 comma n. So let's check. So it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 5 is this and till n. So we should check. So it becomes nation. So S starts with examination starts with nation. So it is not true. So answer is false. So next we should check S dot charet 2. So S dot charet 2. So in 2 A is in 2 place. So A is equals to S dot charet 6. 6 in 6 place also A. So both are equal. So answer is true. So again I am telling you that see here s dot start with bracket s dot substring 5 comma n. So we should check that here the examination starts from 5 comma n, substring of 5 comma n. So 5 comma n substring is nation. So the examination starts from nation. Answer is false. And in this we should check, and at second place of S, second place is equals to S sixth place. So second place is A and sixth place is also A. So both are equal. So true. So let's move on to our next question. So friends, our fourth question is state the values stored in variable string str1 and str2. So we are provided with string s1 is good and string s2 is world matters. So string str1 we should print s2 dot, s2 is this dot substring 5 and replace t with n. So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we should replace t from n. So it take from 5 to rest. So matters is remaining. So here it told to replace t from n. So it replaces t from n. So it becomes manners. So there is a space before it. So manners. So our answer for this will be manners. For string str1, the answer is manners. And for string str2, s1 dot concat str1. So s1, here is space here. So string str s1 dot concat str1. So s1 is good. Concat means combining. So good, and here is space. So we left the space and we wrote manners. So it becomes good manners. So this was our fourth question. So let's move on to our fifth question. So friends, our fifth question is string str1 is equals to great and string str2 is equals to minus. So we should print these functions. So system.out.println str1 dot substring 0, 2. So let's write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 2. So it starts from 1, 0 and ends 2 minus 1, ends at 2 minus 1. So which is 1. So 0, 1. It takes 0, 1 gr. And now here dot concat str2 dot substring 1. So 1, 0, 1. So it takes from 1 to till the end 1. There is not another number written here, so it takes from 1 to rest 2, 3 and 4. So I and ds. So it takes, and they told we should concat these both. So there is no space, so it prints gri and ds, grinds. So our first answer will be grinds. So let me explain you once more time. So str1 dot substring 0, 2. So it takes 0 and 1. It takes till 2 minus 1, which is 1. So it takes 0 and 1, which is gr, and str2 dot substring 1. So it takes from 1 to the end, because there is no number written except 1. If there is another number written here, 5 think, so we should take 5 minus 1, which is 4. We should take from 1 to 4. So this was our, and they told to concat these both. So gr and inds. So becomes grinds, and there is no space between them. So the next is system.out.println wh plus str1 dot substring 2. So str1, and we should take from 2 to ending, because there is no another number written, so only 2 is written. So to uppercase, and we should convert it to the uppercase. So uppercase means we should change them to capital letter. So EAT, so we should change them to capital letters. So WH plus, so we should WHEAT. So this is our answer. So this is our fifth question answer. So let's move on to our next question. So friends, our sixth question is we should find the output of this. So double res is equals to maths.pow bracket 345 dot index of 5. So I told you index of checks that 5 is in which place. So it starts from 0, 1 and 2. So maths.pow 5 is in 2 place, second place. So here the answer will be 2, 3. So it will be math.pow 2 comma 3. This will be our answer. So this means this 2 is the base and 3 is the power. So 2 power 3 is 8, and see, here is double function, so we should put 0.0. If there would be int function, then we should write only 8, but here is double function, so we should write 8.0. So friends, this was our 6th question. So let's move on to our next question. So friends, this is our 7th question. You should find the output of this question. So here char ch and int x value is 97. So do while loop, it enters do while loop. So here ch is equals to char x. So small a ASCII code is 97. So here ch value becomes a. Instead of 97, it places its value, so which is a. So here it prints ch, so which is a, so it prints a here, and again it comes down and it checks that x, which is 97, divided by modulus 10 is equals to 0. So when 97 is divided by 10, so the remainder is 0 or not. So remainder is 7, which is not 0, so it doesn't break the condition and it comes to x plus plus. It increments the x value and comes here and checks that this value is correct, true, and then it comes here again. So now x value becomes 98. So again it enters the do while loop. So it checks the ch is equals to char x is equals to x. So now b ASCII code is 98. So 98. So here ch value becomes then b. Now ch value becomes b. So it comes and prints ch, which is b. So friends, see here, this is system.out.print. So in system.out.print, it does not print in the next line, it prints in the same line. When we are provided with system.out.println, then it prints in the different line. So here we are not provided with ln, we are provided with only print. So it prints in the same line, the output in the same line. So again it prints b, and it comes that 98 modulus 10 is equals to 0. So the remainder is 8, which is not equals to 0. So it comes again, it doesn't break the condition and it increments x value, and again it comes, the statement is true, then again it goes to here and the value becomes 99. So the value becomes 99. So again it enters the do while loop, then again it checks. So C ASCII code is 99. So it ch value becomes C. So it comes and it prints C. So here it comes and it prints C. So the condition, this is, it checks 99 divided by modulus 10 is equals to 0. So the remainder will be 9. So it doesn't break the condition and comes here and increments x value, and it again comes here, the condition is true, then again it reaches here, then the x value becomes 100. So it enters the do while loop. So d code is 100. So the ch value becomes d, and here it comes and it prints d here, then it checks that 100 modulus 10. So the remainder is 0. Yes, after dividing, the remainder is 0. So it then breaks the condition and it stops here, and the output is A, B, C and D. So friends, I hope you understood the 7th question. So friends, let's move on to our next question. Friends, this is our 8th question. First is Mississippi dot index of XS. So first s is this, it is in which place? 0, 1 and 2. So it is in second place, so it prints 2 and plus Mississippi, the last index of I. So last I is in this place, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10th place, so 10. So it adds, so answer will be 12. So the first answer will be 12. So next is cable dot compare to cadet. So I told you the compare condition in my videos, compare method in my videos. So for compare we should know the ASCII codes. So A code is 65, so B code is 66, so it moves till Z. So C code which is 67 and 67, A code which is 65, 65, B code 66, D code 68. So C here 67 minus 67 0, so it will not take 0. So again he checks this, so 65 minus 65 0, so again it will not take 0. So 67 minus 68 which is minus 2, so our answer will be minus 2. So friends, see here these are both are zeros, so there are two zeros, so when the answer would be 0 it jumps to the next statement. So when again the answer is 0, then it jumped to the next statement, and when we got the answer except 0, so except 0 we got any number as minus 2, except 0 we can get any number, so that would be our output. See, if we have both same, that cable and cable, if both are same, then the answer would be 0, but they both are not same. So here these both, it checks first both, so answer is 0, so it jumped to the next. So here it checked again, answer is 0, so it jumped to the next. So again it checks answer is minus 2, so it prints minus 2 and it will not jump to the next one, so it just prints minus 2. So this was our 8th question. So let's move on to our 9th question. Friends, our 9th question is system.out.println 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we should print the output of this. So friends, many of you are thinking that the answer would be 1 and here plus 1 plus 1 2. So the final answer would be 1 2. So friends, this is not the final answer, this is wrong answer. So friends, the answer will be, see friends, here this is the string and these are the numbers. So the final answer will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. Why this answer? So friends, because this both 1 are after the string, so the number which are after the string will be not added. So the answer would be 1 1 1. So friends, then let's move on to the next. So the next is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So now these will be added because these are before the string and these are after the string. So the after the string are not added and before the string are added. So the answer would be 4 2. So friends, this was our 9th question and the final question. So friends, I hope you understood all these outputs. So friends, if you understood, please like the video, comment on our video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. And friends, if you did not watch the string methods video, I will provide you the link in the description box. And our next video in the outputs of this part 2 video will be uploaded soon. So friends, till then enjoy and thank you. Bye bye.